Hello friend, today I'm going to review this VishoVid software. This software basically it's a video hosting software like Wistia, Vimeo. But see this Wistia, Vimeo, this software they charges some monthly subscription. Whereas this with the help of this VishoVid software, they have give you one-time access. Means actually you have to pay only once. That will give you the lifetime access. And there are much more other benefit also. But before that, we will first see what are the prices for this Wistia and Vimeo. So if you go through this Wistia, they are charging, see, uh, $0 for monthly, but they are allowing only 3 videos per month. So that is not useful. So they are charging this $99 per month, whereas they are allowing only 10 free videos. So this is also not economical. And here, this Vimeo, you have to pay $7 per month for basic plan. For pro plan, we have to pay $20 per month. Now, but they have charging monthly subscription fees. So with this Quisio Vid, they are only charging one time for lifetime access. So we will go through this software. First, we will go through their sales page, and if you buy this software through my uh, link, so you will get the various bonuses also. That bonuses also I will discuss with you. So guys, as I promise you, if you like this product and if you purchase this product through my link, my link is in description. I will give you various attractive bonuses along with this product. But as I told you, this is not only hosting software, but it's a 6-in-1 video marketing tools which gives you various other things also. Cloud video storage, so you can access it from anywhere. And with this software you will get this 20,000 media stock access also, that is also with free. And you will get inbuilt screen recorder like Loom. And apart from this, you will get video and image recorder inbuilt in this software. And you will get the 46 SEO tools along with this software, that is also inbuilt in this software. And you will get YouTube automation tool also. So this price will come up, we'll discuss when we'll go through the sales page. So this is my bonus number one. The bonus number one, that is lost code. This is complete tutorial to how to build your automatically done for you. And second bonus is the Figo multiplier. This Figo multiplier is a tutorial. This will allow us teach you how to attract the traffic from other site without any email list also. And this bonus number third is that this is the tutorial where you learn A to Z about the launch jockeying, how to launch this. This is covered in this bonus. Bonus number 4, where you will learn how to build your buyer list to grow your online business. So this buyer list is very important, and here in this tutorial you will learn how to grow your buyer list. And this very attractive bonus, this bonus number 5, this bonus, how to explode your YouTube channel, means how to grow your YouTube channel, how to rank your videos. And there are various hacks given in this software to grow your channel. So these are the software which you will get once you purchase this software through my link. That link is already mentioned in the description. Now we will go through this member area. I have logged in the software. On left hand side you can see these are some tools. So dashboard, I click on this dashboard. So dashboard, you can see the status of your video scene and this thing. Whereas in profile, this is the profile where you can see how many videos you have uploaded, and you can edit this your profile. So next function is that to upload your video. You can upload your videos here and post in various social media site also. So one more function is given down below, that is image creator. So we'll go through this image creator. Here you can create your own image, or you can just drop down your images from your folder and you can edit with your image with this filter. You can edit some text, you can edit some shape, you can put some sticker, frame, this thing. So this is work like a Canva. As I told you, that inbuilt video editor is also there. So you can edit your videos here. You can import your videos from your folder and you can edit that video. So this act as a video editor also. In this software, the screen recorder is also given, so that this is helpful for screen recording or to share your screen to record your classes also. So you can use this screen recorder. And with this software, this SEO tools is also given. There are 47 SEO tools given, which will help you to grow your online business. You can use, there are so many SEO tools is given, blogging tools, some server tools is given, some basics tools is also given, website tools is given. So you can go through this. Means actually various tools is also given along with the SEO tools. So this is not only the video hosting side, the other function is also given. Here one you can do the video chart from this also. And for all these things, the training and tutorial is also given here. So we'll go through. So in tutorials, everything is given. Overview, how to upload video, image creator, video stock asset also here given. As I told you, there are 20,000 video asset. Support is also given. If you required any support also, you can raise the ticket from here also. Actually, this is not only the video hosting side. This gives you other function like image creator, video editor, screen recorder, SEO tools, and along with that they will give you the 20,000 plus ready-made stock asset also. See, they have very 20,000 video stocks is there. Some video stocks, quote image, background audios, some graphic 300 plus graphic icons is there, background footage, stock images, so many things. This 4,000 plus animated graphics is also given, 4,000 plus this animated graphics, everything is given. So this overall software is that, so you get various functions here, and it is very easy to operate. It is newbie friendly also, so you don't require any technical skill and this thing. So this is very useful software. So now we will quickly go through this sales page. I will highlight only main point. If you want to go through in detail with this sales page, the link is already given in my description. So you just click on that link, that will redirect you to this sales page. So we'll go through this sales page. As I told, it's world most powerful video marketing app, because it's not only cover the video hosting, it will gives you other benefit as well. So in short, such as this is the video hosting software, single click, access in-depth video analytics, so that whatever your video is there, you can analysis your videos. So here you can access 20,000 inbuilt stocks like images, videos, and many more. So here inbuilt image editing software is also given, so that you can use for the thumbnails and creating other images also. So inbuilt video editor is also given, and apart from this, inbuilt screen recording is also given with this software. So this is totally 100% newbie friendly. No addition cost is required for using this other benefits. So I'll just take you through this. So as I told you, this QuishoVid software replaces like other hosting platform like Vimeo, Vestia, and it acts as your image editing software, like it works like Canva. So there is the inbuilt image video editing software. So you will get you can use 20,000 inbuilt video stocks. There are various video stocks, images, screen recorder also given. And inbuilt SEO is also given. So inbuilt SEO tools, this is help you. Video SEO you can use to increase the traffic to your website. And so these are some testimonials also given. You can go through in details. They are also with the help of this software, they are also earning from this software. So as I told you, this Quixovid replaces Wistia, Vimeo, Photoshop, Canva, Premiere, Vegas, Filmora, Shutterstock, Loom. Single software work like this software I have mentioned here. So you will get 30 days money back guarantee also. Now I will take you to the price and upsell. So now I will quickly take you through this price and upsells of this software. The front end price is $16.29, whereas the upsell number 1 price is $37 for Quixovid Pro Edition. Upsell number 2 is for $47, that Quixo Builder Pro Edition. Upsell number 3, that is costing around $97, which covers Quixovid and Builder Reseller. Upsell number 4, costing around $297, that Quixovid White Label full Quixovid installation on customer server with customized branding and logos with lifetime support also you will get, and you will get all future updates also. Upsell number 5, it's costing around $397, that covers Quixovid done for you. It's automatically done for you, that they will send 500 buyer traffic to your sales page. Upsell number 6, costing around $197. It places your AdWords and FB retargeting pixel to the Quixovid sales page for their all top selling products. So here are again I am just highlighting the key benefits you will get. As I told you, it's a video hosting platform. You can host this video on any platform or any website, share across these all social networking with single click. So in-depth video analysis also you can do. So here more than 20,000 stock asset also you will get, like image, video and many more, that is already included in this software. So built-in image editor is also given, like you can create your own thumbnails. Here along with that, inbuilt video editing is also given. So inbuilt screen recording also you can get through this software. So here you will get inbuilt professionally YouTube ranking tools also given. Inbuilt SEO tools is also there. So it is 100% newbie friendly with no additional cost. As for other video hosting, you have to pay monthly subscription, but here you will get in one-time cost. So this is the review for this Quixovid software. So guys, if you want to purchase this product, the link is already given in the description link. If you purchase through my link, you will get additional bonuses as I promise you. So once you click on that link, it will redirect you to sales page. So guys, this is the review for this Quixovid software. Hope you like this review. And see, I will come up with the upcoming review video as well. So do visit my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you very much.